Hello everybody, I am Dr. K. Ramakrishna, Dean Quality and Professor of Mechanical Engineering. I have done my doctorate from Andhra University in Mechanical Engineering, Heat Transfer Specialization, and postdoc fellowship from New Mexico State University, America. I have been working in this organization since 1989, put up more than 35 years of experience here, and my area of specialization is heat transfer, nanofluids. I have published more than 100 articles in Scopus and Web of Science journals. So as I said, I am working here as a Dean Quality, looking after the quality aspects of this institution. As you are aware, the quality of any academic institution depends on 4 important factors. So one is teaching learning process or teaching learning pedagogy. The second one is infrastructure. Third one is quality of teachers. And fourth one is the outcome of all these things. See, in the teaching learning process, we adopt the most innovative methods, making the student to involve and participate in the learning process every time. In addition to the cognitive learning, we also focus on psychomotor learning of the student, making him to experience everything whatever he listen in the class. Industrial visits, mini projects, hands-on experience, lab taken to class, all these activities in the teaching learning pedagogy will make the student to experience while he is learning the subject. In addition to that, JAM, that is just a minute or 1 minute paper, assignments given to the students, making him to present a seminar in the classroom, group discussions, allows him to participate in the teaching learning process, making it more effective in the learning process. Not only this, tutorial sessions for analytical courses, hackathons we make the student to participate, will enable them to experience the problem solving techniques in the teaching learning. So the quality, the faculty are trying to use that information communication technology tool so that during the lecture they showcase animated videos, they download an NPTEL lecture from the standard websites, and if possible they will interact to a WebEx or any other communicative platform to other professors at that moment itself, clarifying the doubts and sharing their own experiences in particular domain. Particularly while solving case studies, this kind of interaction with outside people will make the students to understand how others are learning the things across the world. So even though the classroom is confined to 4 walls, the teaching is made to expose the students to the entire world through the infrastructure facilities we have created here, which shows the quality of teaching. The quality of student, whether the student has achieved the quality in education or not, is measured by assessing the graduation outcomes. I told you there are certain graduate attributes, domain specific and domain independent. With a set target, these outcomes are assessed. Once we are able to reach those targets, it is said to be attainment of the attributes for that particular graduation. Coming to the infrastructure, this campus is a serene atmosphere conducive for learning for anybody. State-of-the-art infrastructure is provided in all the laboratories, and also we have a world-class library with more than 2 lakh e-books as well as more than 1 lakh hard copy books. A lot of emphasis is given for students to learn on their own, making them to achieve the quality of lifelong learning. We make the students to learn how to learn on their own by providing all these facilities. Thereby, their career growth is well defined. The 35 research labs with latest infrastructure is useful for the students to do research and learn many new things, making them abreast of knowledge and technology that is existing in the world. And similarly, the quality of teachers we don't compromise, and in management, sciences and arts we have 100% doctoral degree holders, and in engineering, architecture, agriculture we have more than 80% of the faculty holding doctoral degrees, which is a reflection of quality. The outcomes of the institution, either the student outcomes in terms of their placement or in terms of their progression to higher studies, or making them entrepreneurs or enabling them to start their own ventures, and similarly the outcomes of the faculty in terms of their research publications and other skill sets also keep our institution abreast of others in the world. As a quality dean, I am looking after the internal quality assurance cell with a large team of 3 more doctorates and another 4 associate professors, continuously monitoring all these facilities across the university. The quality of education is the outcomes. Placement, for example, we have a track record of 100% placement for the past 15 years, and for those who have opted for placement have never gone with dissatisfaction from this campus. Even if they want to become an entrepreneur, we make them to achieve their goal. For that purpose only, at first year level, SWOT analysis is done, and based on that SWOT analysis we set the goals for the student and make the student to achieve his goals throughout his career, throughout his course of study here, until he reaches that career path. This is the only institute where a separate dean is appointed for skill development. National Education Policy 2020 envisages and imposes the skill development as an important component in education, but well before 2020, in our academic system, even we have introduced credits for skill component. So it shows that how much importance we are giving for quality of education in this institute. QS is a World University Ranking organization which ranks the higher educational institutions across the world. The entire world is, including India, is focusing more on the QS ranking because it is a measure for quality of education in any institution. QS rating is another important thing which rates the institutions in the country, in India, and in that particular QS rating, our institution has got diamond rating. Recently, the governor of Telangana state has given us the diamond rating certificate in a function held at Chennai. The QS rating also involves more than 10 parameters, which includes the teaching, learning, quality of faculty, as I said, the research components, the citations, publications, infrastructure, library facilities, and then environment concern of the institution, etc. And then they rate the institution. In that process also we have got diamond rating.